Hey guys, so we are baking biscuits. So our ingredients: butter, flour, coconut, 2 eggs, vanilla essence, baking powder, sugar, and cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. And a pinch of salt, guys. Let's say half teaspoon of salt. So now here's our butter, and then we put sugar. Then we mix it, guys. We mix it. We mix it together. And then after mixing it, we put here is 250 gram butter and 1 cup of sugar. Then we put 2 eggs. We put 2 eggs and mix it together. And we put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we mix it together. Mix it together. So guys, we mix our dry stuff. Here's our 3 cups of flour, and our baking powder, coconut, and cocoa powder. And we mix it together. We mix it together. And our half teaspoon of salt. We mix it, guys. We mix it together. We mix it together. We mix it together. And then after mixing it, you combine it with butter and sugar, guys. You combine it with butter and sugar. So we put it in here. So we mix it together, guys. We mix it together. And make sure, guys, your hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean. We mix it together. We mix it together. Oh, wow. It's too hard for this. Make sure your hands are clean. We mix it together. When you're done mixing it, guys, you put it in here. And leave it. You put it in here, guys, and leave it for 30 seconds. After rolling it, guys, we take a fork. And then take something to cut, guys. I'm using this. So I put it in the flour. I put it in the flour and cut. So guys, every time put it in the flour so that our dough mustn't stick. You see? So guys, this is the size. It must be small. This is the size of our biscuit. So now we are taking it to the oven, guys, for 10 to 15 minutes. See you after 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, our cookies are ready. Our cookies are ready, guys. So we let it cool, guys. See, we let it cool for 10 minutes. See you after 10 minutes. So guys, we put dairy milk chocolate in the oven until it melts. So guys, we melt our chocolate, so leave it for a bit to cool. Leave it for a bit. So our chocolate has cooled down, guys. Our chocolate has cooled down. So put it in. Put the chocolate in. So take another biscuit and put it on top. Voila! Here's our biscuit, guys. Yeah, so guys, here's our biscuit. Job well done. Cheers, guys. So please don't forget to comment and to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.